batas ito. Now, if you will not detect, if you will not know or any minute details about its life, words, and writing, wala ko may sabat eh. May time pa ito na during pandemic, mostly lamot-lamot daw nagawas Rizal. Diba? Kasi may test back of your in regards to this four subjects. What is the name of the dog of Rizal? Ako nang ginagawa niya, paano namatay si Leonor Vera? Paano namatay si Leonor Vera? Anyone mo? O kung hindi ka mo mamati, eh wala kita mo i-answer. Sometimes, ang utang siya they will give the obvious, and sometimes to test the student, they will also give the hardest one. Na sometimes hindi ka ba na nag-grasp during our education, our study time, during our college. Kasi ginatest nila eh. Kasi board exam, survival of the fittest. You will be given your license to teach if you pass the board exam. You have your license. And what is your purpose? Your education to become a teacher, to pass the board exam. Diba? General education, pag ito, damo lalo. Diba? Kaya dapat, hindi pwede mag-absent. Hindi pwede mali. Kasi, ang sabi naman ako eh, diba? I am very obsessive, compulsive with my time, with my schedule, because you are paying me per hour. Binili niyo itong course na ito, diba? Binili niyo ito sila per unit, diba? Per unit ang bayad. That means per hour din yung bayad sa akin. If you want to go it to waste, you can skip the class. Anyway, you study mo lang kayo sa study. But whether you like it or not, you pay me. And besides, I have the choice about if I will have my lunch there or accept that class. But Ma'am Sedi Concept Dayan is the one who placed me to go sa education. Maybe ang gentle question. Ma'am Concept Dayan is the one who planned na ako ang maging teacher sa amin. Pinukuha ako ng DA, pinukuha ako ng different departments kasi natin tumutuwa ako. Pero nauna sa mga service na kasi nga board exam. Kailangan strict teaching. Mga magpintihan mo dito. Pero hindi man ako yan manananggalan sa ko kalawis ko kudugyan sa dito. Mayo na lang yun, di ba? Anyway, we have the same syllabus with the different teachers naman. But it depends on the teacher on how they deliver and do classroom instructions. On how they will handle and do the class. Okay? Now, I will check that and help you. So this is the book. Important. Important for you to have the book. If you have it, or you can buy it, there are sa atong physical plan, or you can borrow sa library. Okay? Important. And also, para makaka-take downloads mo kamo yan. Now, this is not the only book that I've been using. This is the book that is required by CHED and also the syllabus that I'll be using will use this book. But I also have my resources. So this book is by Eugene Raymond Tutuyan. Also, I will be using some references by Udiakwani